we're now moving on to this point here about the fact that the chorus now, very importantly, became that unifying force in early drama. Okay, as you guys know from doing your chorus pieces, you were able to see how working as a unit was sometimes fun and sometimes painful. But ultimately, what you guys presented to me was a unified front on the dialogue that you were trying to present. So people that were watching these presentations began to identify the chorus as a unifying factor that were able to provide further information on the play.
Please repeat that.
Oh God, what did I say? So the chorus, okay, became the unifying factor, all right? So the audience would identify, tell me when I continue. So the audience would identify that the chorus would present.
Wait, I'm slightly from the audience. I don't know. The audience identify the chorus.
The audience would identify the chorus as the unifying factor or force, whichever you prefer, that would provide.
Ma'am, you said the audience would identify the...
It's just like having you guys here. Okay, the audience would identify the chorus as the unifying, this word here, unifying force. There you go.
Nadia, you hot. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Guys, you know when you talk, then your video shows up for everybody else. Oh, I hate that.
Okay, so the unifying force focus, guys, that would present further information that was, let me just see how many of you are writing here, that was relevant. Hi, Clint. That was relevant to the play. You guys okay with that?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Woohoo! Continuing on when I figure out how to get back there. All right, I just go here. Boop. Boop. Okay. Then, this is the interesting thing. Like, I think some of you don't know this. But Hippocrates, see that word there? That was the original term for actor.
I could only see your face.
Whose face?
Wait, no. Is that Hippocrates or Hippocrates?
Hippocrates. Who can only see my face?
How did you say Hippocrates?
Jamie, can you still only see my face now?
Yeah.
Well, I don't.
Ma'am, I'm lost. I lost you and you said Hippocrates.
Okay, let me just go back to this. Jamie, please just tell me if you can see. If I go back.
Oh, wait, I can. Okay, I can see now.
Okay. So Hippocrates, guys, here. We'll focus on this little, I know it's small, but here. Hippocrates, okay? That was the original term for an actor. All right? It meant answerer. Someone's having a party in their house. Okay. The reason why they were known as Hippocrates, or answer in this case, is quite simply because of the dialogue interaction between the actor and the chorus and the actors on stage. Because ultimately, what do you guys do when you're acting with one another? That's a question. Someone answer.
Wait, Ma'am, you said because of the dialogue interaction between...
Between the actor or actors and chorus.